All right, we got Fred up on the rack. And let's, he's never been restored under here other than the typical battery area patch, which you see on a lot of these. Other than that, all these floors are original and actually look good. Just a pretty original car under here. Good solid original floors. A token patch there. You can see those original, use the originals. So if you're looking at Volkswagens, if you see these, you're looking at the original floor. That's how they put them on. These are all present here, so quite good. I think the old batteries used to leak back in the day. They don't do that so much anymore. It's damp under here, but it's not it's not like puddling or anything. So there you go. Overall, not bad. Good old Fred. I like to go around these old cars with a really light magnet with a little thin piece of plastic on it. Keeps it from scratching it, but just, see how it sticks. I mean, the magnet's totally grabbing it everywhere. Fred doesn't seem to be an inherently rusty car. I mean, we have the little battery floor area, but that's, that's fairly common. Let's go around to the other side. I've seen these cars from other states with snow and rain and where they got a ton of filler in them. This doesn't seem to have any filler. It seems good. All right, we'll go take a look at the front valance. And here's the lower valance. You got a little ding right there. And just a little bubbly right at the edge of the hood. Fred's kind of had a low budget facelift. It looks good. And here's the lower rear valance. Got a little something there. Look, it's still got the original weep holes under here. That's kind of cool. Somebody could put a $14 set of exhaust tips on this thing, and we probably should have done that, but I didn't. So there you go. Not perfect, but I think Fred's looking pretty good.